Hey dolls, so I am back. So I'm going to be doing a jewelry haul for you dolls today and try on. I haven't filmed over here in so long, so if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. So all of the pieces that I got are from Italo Jewelry. I have worked with them before, so I will definitely link my other video down below so you can see the other things that I got. So I don't have on any jewelry except for like my other earrings. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you what I got and try and get on in this video. So all the items are from Italo, like I said, and this is how the boxes look. The boxes look very luxe. So this is how it looks. You have a really pretty ribbon on there and it says Italo Jewelry. I hope that I'm saying it right. And then this is how the box is, and it's actually magnetic. So it opens up like that and it magnetizes back together, and this is the back and everything. So all of the boxes are the same, and whenever you open it up, you know, you have your items on the inside. So in here I do have a little dust bag that you can put your item in. Well, it's not a dust bag, but you know what I'm saying, like one of those little mesh type bags, and it does say Italo Jewelry on the tag as well, if y'all can see that. And then also on the inside you get a silver polishing cloth. So you have this little package, and then on the inside is actually one of those cloths that you can use to clean your jewelry with. So that's really nice that they include that. And then also in here there is, I believe this is just like a checklist to show that the area was disinfected and like everything was clean whenever they were packaging the product or whatever. I'm not really sure. And then also there is their return and exchange policy and everything like that. And then there is also their 1-year warranty, and also the sterling silver certificate, and then also a jewelry care guide as well. So you get all of that info, which will help you out if you don't really know how to take care of your jewelry and stuff like that. So then down into the package, this one has 2 boxes on the inside. I did choose my item, so it just depends on what you get, what size boxes and stuff like that you will get. So I'm going to start off with the smaller one first. I love their packaging. Once again, it's always super cute and luxe. So it's this really nice blue color. It's like a navy, and it does say Italo Jewelry on the little box. And then whenever you open it up, this one is actually a ring. It doesn't really fit in the slot, so they just have it sitting in here. But you can see how it looks. Let me do a close-up. This is basically like a stacked kind of ring. I kind of want to tell y'all the names of stuff. So let me try to pull up my email and see if I can find the links. First piece that I have is the triple roll certified white sapphire wedding band. A lot of their stuff is classified as like wedding bands and stuff like that. So, you know, if you want to purchase this for that specific purpose, they do have a lot of really pretty stuff on the website. But y'all know I just like bling and like, you know, blingy jewelry and stuff like that. So this piece retails for $136.73, but it's on sale for $116.22 on the website right now. And I got mine in a size 8, so I could wear it on whatever finger. But this is how it looks. It does not come loose. All of the bands are kind of like soldered together for that kind of look. So I think this one is really cute. So this is how it looks on my hand. So super cute. I will keep it on and just keep going with everything. And the ring does actually go all the way around, like the what is it called, eternity type bands. Let me just take the little size tag off. The band actually does go all the way around if you spin it or whatever. So it's blinged out all the way around. So super cute. So that's the first piece. And then the next one, I have another box in here. So whenever I take this one out, this is a larger box than the ring was in. As you can see, it's a lot smaller. So whenever you open it up, this one is wrapped up. They have like the little fresh pack in there. And then this is actually a pair of earrings, and they are wrapped down to the little thing. So let me just take this off of here so I can show you what I have. I guess they were scared that they would fall out, so they just have it wrapped down with some plastic. And these are a pair of blingy hoop earrings. So super cute. Let me just show y'all them. Y'all know I love anything that's like blingy. So yeah, my birthstone is a diamond, so I just always have loved bling and everything. So these are the hoops. This is how they actually would go on, and yeah, they're just really pretty. So let me just pull up the details for these. So these are actually called the round cut big women hoop earrings, and these retail for $86.36, but they're on sale for $70.85. I will check to see if I have a special discount code, so maybe it will actually be less. I'm not really sure. But yeah, these are the earrings, and they're really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on for y'all so you can really see how they look. Okay, so this is how the earrings look on me. As you can see, they're not super big, but they're like that perfect medium size kind of earring. Y'all know I like really big hoops. These are like right in the middle for me. Like, I don't have a problem with this size. I used to only like the big ones, but now I really do like this medium style sized hoop. So I want you to really be able to see how it looks. And you do have the diamonds kind of like on the inside part as well. And you have some that are like kind of bigger, so they like pop out. So cute. Okay, so those are those. Super cute. And moving into the next box, I'm sure it has all of the same things on the inside. So yeah, you have like all of those different papers, the cleaning cloth, all of that stuff. So in this one, I just have one box. So let's see what's in this one. Okay, the little fresh pack, and then it's wrapped up in the plastic. I believe this is a necklace. So I'm just going to unwrap it, and I'm also going to go ahead and pull up what this item is. This item is actually called the Classic Created White Sapphire Tennis Necklace, and this retails for $127.35, but it's on sale for $108.25. And this one is really pretty. I feel like the stones are like bigger than my other tennis necklaces that I normally wear. So this one is a little bit more popping and out there. So this is how the stones look in it. You can see how blingy they are. Just really pretty. With this kind of necklace, of course, you can always add on a really pretty pendant if you have one, or you could just wear it by itself, which also gives a really classy, pretty look. So I'm going to just go ahead and put it on. Okay, so now I have the necklace on. You can see how really pretty it is and everything like that. Like, it's really hidden. Let me see if it tells you the length. It says that it's an 18-inch. It kind of gives me like 16, but maybe so. So yeah, I believe it only comes in one size, but it's super cute and it's very blingy. Like, all of the pieces are hitting. Okay, so let's move into the last box. I'm not sure if I have one or two more items left. So this is the packaging on the last one. They're all the same, of course. So in this one, we have the papers and everything once again. And then I do have two more boxes. I couldn't really remember what all I had got. Okay, yeah, I remember this. Okay, so I got this really pretty ring. This one is called the 3-Stone Emerald Created White Sapphire Engagement Ring. And sometimes I like to have like a statement kind of ring, and then like my eternity type bands for rings that I normally wear. So this ring I got in a size 7. I'm just going to take the little paper off and then put it back in the box so y'all can really see how pretty it is, and then I'll try it on as well. This one is $127.35 and it's on sale for $108.25. So this is how she looks. She is so pretty. I love like an emerald cut because it's different. Mostly all of my rings are like a princess cut or just the round regular cut. So whenever I can find something different like emerald, it's really fun. So this one I could wear right next to it if I wanted to. So this one is really pretty. This is how they look together. Or I would probably actually move this one and wear it more so like this. Like this is more of my kind of style of how I would actually wear them. Or maybe put this one on the other hand. But I'm just going to keep them together so y'all can see. So that is really pretty. It's actually a little bit big for me. I think my ring size is really like a 6.5. But sometimes I need a 7. Like it just depends. So this is the last box. And I actually did get a bracelet. I couldn't remember if I got another ring or a bracelet or what I got. So this bracelet is so cute. It's super popping. This one is actually called the Triple Row Radiant Tennis Bracelet. And this one is $129.95. It doesn't have a sale price on it. So this one is so pretty. Let me just show y'all up close. So as you can see, it does have 3 rows of stones. It's so popping. It doesn't want to focus. Okay. So popping. Like look at how pretty that is. So you do have 3 rows of stones. You have like a rounder stone here. I'm sorry y'all, it doesn't want to focus. But yeah, you have like a rounder stone, a princess cut, and then another round stone. And at the end of the round stones, they kind of have that extra little piece, so it gives it kind of like that point kind of look. But yeah, this is really pretty. And I didn't have a bracelet like this at all. This one is definitely like a statement piece. So this is how she looks on the wrist. Like she's definitely not to be played with. Like it's not just like the 1 row tennis bracelet. This one is definitely giving more dressy vibes or bossed up kind of vibes, even if you want to dress it down. So I really like it. So this is how all of the pieces look that I got together. So everything is just like on this one hand. Maybe I will put this one over here and do a little. So cute. Everything is so cute. Okay, so yes, I love all of the pieces that I got. So definitely check out Italo jewelry. I hope I'm saying it right, or is it Italo? I'm not sure. Y'all let me know. But super cute. Definitely check them out. If you have questions, leave them down below, and I will also put any discount codes or anything like that in the description box as well. And thank you dolls for watching. Bye dolls.